Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to be looking at one of our brand new 2019 220 Solstice Harris pontoons. As you can see, we have a ton of pontoons here in our show floor. This is actually our warehouse show floor. So tons of pontoons to view, but today we're going to be specifically looking at this one. This is a 22-foot pontoon. It's a nice gray color with a silver accent. Inside the boat here you can see that the upholstery has a pillow top material on the backing. All the loungers have a nice armrest with a cup holder, pull down armrest. On the side here, this extra 2 cup holders you see can be moved anywhere you'd like. Obviously there's storage under all the seats. The in-floor storage is nice for skis or fishing poles. Right behind these front loungers is a nice pull-up pocket. It's a great spot for a cooler that could fit in there, nice and out of the way. Or if you'd like, we can install the optional dressing room in that spot. All right, in the rear, as you can see, it's a nice L-shaped bench. Again, pillow top upholstery, which is very nice. Once again, the armrest with the cup holder in it. Storage under each seat. Here to the aft of the boat, this bench moves forward and backwards. It's definitely our most popular layout. And as you can see, it's a nice bench here for sunbathing, or a nice area just to sit while traveling. You can actually sit back here while underway. Down here we have 2 Fusion speakers to the swim platform, which is nice. This boat is powered by a 150 horsepower Mercury engine. It's got a 4-step ladder in the back. Onto the helm. This is a brand new helm design for 2019. The head unit here is a JL Audio head unit. It's a nice little storage compartment above there with a charging port in it. The tacks that they added in this year are nice. They're better quality. And then there's a Lawrence here, which is a nice thing as well. They upgraded the buttons, which light up when you turn them on, which is another great feature. And the helm seat has a flip-up bolster, so you can ride with it down or up, but it's nice and easy, nice and comfortable. This boat seats 12. And again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Stop out and check out this boat, or again, any of our many boats that we have on our show floor today.